Hello, everybody. Welcome to Adjusting Journal Entries, Part 5. This is for loans receivable. Okay, so if I'm lending somebody money, I'm not going to lend that money for free. Rather, I'm going to charge interest to that borrower. So again, let's think about it. If I'm the lender, I'm loaning the money, which is referred to as the principal, to the borrower. The borrower is going to repay me not only that principal, but my interest. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, over here, we've got KI is going to loan $500,000 to YYZ on August 1st, 2023. The loan will be due on July 31st, 2025, and the interest rate is 12%. Principal and interest will be due on July 31st, 2025. Prepare the entry to record the transaction on August 1st for KI. So we are giving money to YYZ. So right over here, as we can see, I'm just going to borrow this real quick. Thank you, Bennett. Right over here, I'm giving money to YYZ. So my cash, which is an asset, is going to be going down. So I'm going to be crediting cash for that $500,000. So over here, 500 grand. Now for every credit, I need a debit. Over here, they owe me the money. So this is going to be a debit to a loan receivable. Okay, this is going to be 8/1/23. This is a different example than the loan payable, so let's just keep that in mind. Okay, so I've given the money. Now I get to the end of the year, and I'm asking myself the questions. Do my assets reflect their future economic benefit? Do my liabilities reflect my future obligations? Do my revenues reflect what I've earned? Do my expenses reflect what I've used? If I go through and think about it, if I've loaned somebody money, doesn't matter if they've repaid me or they don't owe me yet, I've earned interest on that money, even if I haven't collected it yet, even if I did not yet collect it. So what I need to do is what do we do? Well, we're going to come over here, and if we look at the typical adjusting journal entries, if I loan money to somebody, I'm going to be debiting interest receivable, and I'm going to be crediting interest revenue. Okay, so revenue, how do I record it with a credit? They'll sometimes call it interest income, same thing. Over here, I'm going to debit interest receivable. Okay, so when it comes to doing this journal entry on 12/31/23, I know I'm going to be debiting receivable. Receivable is an asset. Do that with a debit. Revenue is a type of income, so we're going to do that. Go ahead and do that with a credit. So to record interest income or revenue. Okay, now the question is, how much do I record? Well, over here, how many months have I borrowed the money for? Well, I borrowed it for August, September, October, November, and then December. So a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. It's exciting. Okay. So right over here, my loan amount is $500,000. So my loan amount is 500 grand. My interest rate is going to be 12%. It's given to me in the problem. So my annual interest is going to be the 500,000 times the 12% or $60,000. However, annual means it's for a full year. So I need to multiply this by 5/12. So from August 1st through December 31st, that's 5 months. I take 60,000 times 5/12, so I'm going to get $25,000. So this is going to be the amount of money I'm going to be going through and showing. Now, the last thing that I need to go through over here and do, is I need to prepare the balance sheet presentation for loans receivable. So is this loan receivable current or non-current in total in terms of an asset? So right over here, KI balance sheet partial, right, as of 12/31/23. So I'm not going to receive the money from this loan until July 31st, 2025. In order for the asset to be current, I have to receive it by December 31st, 2024. So therefore, the way I'm going to go through and show this is going to be a non-current asset. Does it mean it's non-electrified? No, it means that the asset will be collected beyond a year from the balance sheet date. I'm going to have a loan receivable. I'm going to have interest receivable. My loan receivable amount is right over here at 500,000. My interest receivable for the 5 months is going to be 25. So over here, this is going to be 525. If I don't have anything else, my total non-current assets are going to be right over here at 525,000. So I want to thank you here today for joining me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you've not done so already. Greatly appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a great day.